I'm going to share with you how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. Sensitive content is any type of information that needs to be protected from unauthorized access, disclosure, or modification. It can include personal data, financial records, trade secrets, intellectual property, health records, and more. To turn on sensitive content on Telegram, you will have to head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. You will then log into your Telegram on web.telegram.org. On your Telegram chat page, tap on these 3 lines right here. Then select Settings. You will then scroll down onto the option of Privacy and Security. On this page, scroll down to the very end. You will see the section of sensitive content. Mark this option of Disable Filtering. When enabled, any sensitive media can be displayed in public channels on all your Telegram devices. You can decide to undo this option at any time. That's how easy it is to turn on sensitive content on Telegram. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.